mereka, Bu. Bentar mereka. Nggih. Iki mau mun terakhir ngapunten. Nggih. Bentar mereka mlempet.
Cara tapi gimana?
Nggih, tapi nah jenengan napa?
Kenapa-napa?
Nggih. Where is your voice?
Hai. Hai.
Come on, say something. Comment. Ayo, comment.
Okay.
Ayo, come on.
Okay. What do you think about working for fun?
I think it's very happy, very nice and very helpful.
Why?
Because
Okay, Rahim.
Rakim, I need
Or-
your.
yes?
Okay. What do you think about this moment or working for fun?
Very nice
Why? Give me your reason.
because there is many program. The students are feeling so happy.
So, I mean, okay. What do you think about MS? MS.
MS,
MS.
Mastering System.
Yeah.
Good teacher. Good teacher.
Okay.
Okay, so very important to increase our language.
Are you sure?
Yeah, very sure. Very sure.
So, yeah, we hope that we can make a good relationship and we can make a good partner. So I mean, even we already finished to study here or to teach here, but I want to our relationship more good, be better than before. So I hope this happens.
Okay.
Anything else?
Ina.
Okay. Thank you.